Hey guys, good afternoon, good evening to some of you guys, I guess in the other part of the world. How's it going, guys? All right, let's continue our research here for Bitcoin. This last Friday, we talked about Bitcoin possibly heading down to 39,000, so I will be talking about that in today's video, but I also want to give us some projections here of how soon we can get up to $50,000 and if we can possibly hit that this week. I do believe that's possible. Let's go over the metrics, look at the indicators, and let's give ourselves some good data to work with here. All right, we are sitting at 106 for 106 wins with our trading program. We have a lot of traders who have traded with us, who are currently trading, and I have to say probably the funnest, if that's a word, email that we get is traders coming in and saying, guys, this is awesome. I've joined your program. I've never lost a single trade. I really just feel like that's powerful, and some of you guys need to hear that because you're looking for confidence, hence the name Trade Confident in the market. And you're like, I want to trade. I don't ever want to lose a trade, and I want my account to be healthy in a bear market and a bull market. Well, that's what we're doing, guys. Our current portfolio is only down, I believe, about 10% this morning, which is fantastic compared to a lot of other accounts who are still down 40 to 50%. Let's dive into the markets here. Okay, trend dashboard. We're looking at this right now, and majority of the retail trader indicators are green, but we've got a couple RSI in the 50 moving average, which is bearish. So looking at this shows indecision in the market. It makes sense. I didn't think we were going to just fly down here very fast. You know, I said on Friday's video, I'm not concerned at all about this. This is actually very healthy for a move down for a continuational uptrend. I guess is the best way. I was going to say pump, but we're not really in a pump. It's more just an overall uptrend right now. Okay, let's take a look at this and dive into these indicators here to see if we can predict some moves here. This is exactly what I use to end up calling the tops and bottoms of crypto. Price per swell, money flow, trend exhaustion. All right, here's what we saw, guys. We saw us push up into the really high section up here of the well money flow. All right, trend exhaustion was high as well. What do you guys know around these areas? This is where we look to see drops back down in the market. We saw this very well. We saw it over here. We saw it right here as well. So when you see the trend exhaustion high and the well money well money flow high as well, this is where we're looking for drops back down. And it has been very, very accurate. We are seeing 75 to 80% accuracy on this calling drops and pumps in crypto. All right, now that you've seen that, let's take a look at the perspective of where we're currently at. When we've been in the past here and we've gotten down into the bottom red section and the well money flows low, guys, this is where the market is jumping. So if we look at this, we have come from over this weekend, a move down into the bottom red section, well money flow is low, and from that we have consolidated. We've not headed down any further. So here's what I'm looking for, and I want you guys to watch with me this week as this weekly forecast continues here. When we start seeing the trend exhaustion move up to the top red section and well money flow move up, this is where you guys need to do what? You need to watch for the move back down in price. Now, I do think because we're not even at the top red zone yet, and we still have plenty of room up for the well money flow here, we could see this extend to $50,000 by Friday. That is a target that I don't feel like is unrealistic. It's not clickbait, anything like that. It is a realistic target. By Friday, we could hit 50,000. It's also a whole number, which is very important. As far as a move back down, let's watch this, because if we see this, obviously consolidation, and we break this support here, $39,000 is right at this ascending support line where we could be bouncing back up. Now, watch this. The moment the trend exhaustion comes to the bottom red section and the well money flow is low, I'm looking for what I call a springboard action back up here, and that will help save us if we start moving down. So some of you guys are going to look at this and you'll be like, oh my gosh, we're crashing. But if you have these indicators here, you'll be able to see where the market is holding, it's halting and literally stopping from going down, and then we're seeing moves back up. Two of the most powerful indicators you will ever use in crypto, and we've used these to help us win 106 trades in a row. All right, guys, these are in the description. Okay, let's take a look at this, guys. The metrics today for Bitcoin. I'm going to give you guys access into this, obviously, today in the video, but let me show you how to access this for all of our coins. I can't believe we're coming to this date, but we are literally, guys, 11 days away from our membership officially increasing almost double. So we're upping it from $49 a month to $95, and you guys have 11 days left on this. We are actually hard coding this into our website, so everybody who gets in at $49 a month right now, you guys will have this membership for life at $49. You will not be paying the upgraded price here, okay? And you're going to get all the benefits of the upgraded price here, which includes the Telegram channel, the Inner Circle access, and the master classes, okay? Just want to show that to you guys real quick. Do not miss that. It's going to be very, very good for you guys if you want to move into 2022 with a team and a family here that really cares about you guys, and we're doing very well in crypto. Let's take a look at the metrics today. These are updated, so this is crisp, raw data that we're working with for today, looking into this week's analysis. The emotional index has been pushed up into the excited area. Now, you guys know when we push into the excited area, what am I looking for? I am looking for moves back down in crypto. Excited retail traders means that institutions are going to be looking to sell their long trades. I've said this a million times, guys, but the billions of dollars that are looking to sell their long trades those institutions and wells, they cannot sell their long trades unless there's momentum in the market of long trades, because there needs to be the same amount of buying as there is selling. This is why it's called an exchange, okay? So overall, looking at this, we're back down into the neutral section. So we are halting today around this area, and we're trying to see, are we going to go down or go back up? I'll give us projections on this, like I mentioned in the beginning, but let's give ourselves more data. Here's something very interesting. This is not stopping, and it's really, really interesting in my opinion. Okay, guys, look at this. Overall price action is going up, and actually long trades over here on Bitfinex, short trades on Bitfinex are moving down. Okay, very, very interesting here. As the price structure is moving up, long trades are moving up here, and short trades are moving out. This is a very bullish sign. As price structure moves up, you usually see short trades increase because they're looking to short the price back down. But what we're seeing right now is short trades are getting out of the way. Do they know something that we don't know? Is this an overall uptrend that's continuing? They're getting out of the way. I do think that's a possibility, and this is a reason and a sign why I do think we could hit 50,000. Long trades increasing and short trades moving out. That is bullish, okay? Let's continue down here. This is very interesting as well. Market cap strength. What do you guys see happening over here as the price of Bitcoin is moving down and consolidating? You are actually seeing the market cap increase for Bitcoin. All right, this means money is going into Bitcoin right now while it is coming out of other altcoins. Okay, this means there's more attention on Bitcoin right now, I believe, for this higher low formation to then look to see another pump back up. This is another sign. If this was actually moving out here, guys, I would see a little bit more bearishness. But because it's increasing, this is actually a bullish sign in the market. I'm not being biased on this video. We're looking at strict data, okay? Trades in favor here, we're looking at here at the short trades, and this is showing us that when we got up here, that was a great place to short. Great job for everyone. We're not taking shorts on this channel, but if you are using these metrics and you're looking short, that was a great entry. I actually would look to definitely take some money out of this if you're in the profit for short trades, because I'm expecting to see a turnaround here pretty soon. All right, well, institutional smart money, let's go over a couple more of these metrics, and I'll get you guys into a Bitcoin trade today. I'll show that to you guys. So, well, institutional smart money, you know, this came out here with a very big metric move down here, looking for the shorts in the market. That happened right after we saw this drop that was right in this area here. Now, I've said this before, guys, institutions usually get their way. They usually get their way, I'm not going to lie, but there are times when if you go short here and it starts breaking up above resistances, that's where stop losses can get hit on shorts, and it's what's called a short squeeze, and the market can push up very fast. I believe that's what happened here, okay? What we've been seeing lately is a drastic decrease from short trades from whales, institutions, and smart money, meaning that they're pulling back to even and going closer into long trades, which means they are buying the dip here. That is another bullish sign in the market. Okay, if I came out here and I saw this right here on this metric value, I would say this is bearish, but it is more bullish because they're pulling out back to long trades. Make sense? Okay, let's go down here. Support and resistance prices. Where is the next resistance I'm looking at? It is 45,000, 46,000, okay? This is on the chart. Obviously, we're moving over here. 45,000. Let's take a look at this. Right at structure high. So could we hit 45? Yeah, I don't think that's a hard target to hit by the end of the week. I think 50,000 is what we really need to be looking for here. Now, as far as the move down, let's make an argument of both sides. I'm not going to be biased here. 39,000. You guys have seen me call this on Friday's video. This is simply a move down to structure support here. Right there, you guys can see that. As well, it's an ascending support line. Now, like I said on Friday as well, if we break $39,000, that is where we can get maybe just a little nervous. We may push down to 31 to 32,000, but we are holding above this very well. As long as we stay above $39,000, we'll be doing very well, okay? 2 more metrics, and we're going to get you guys into a long trade so you can take advantage of our win rate over here, okay? Dollar cost average entries, I'm looking for the price to move down, looking for a green bar, and then that's where I'm looking for the price to move back up here. But though you guys are doing great. Dollar cost average entries for as long as you want, okay? Exit points, this is showing us that, hey, we got a red bar up here. We're looking for the move back down, and that's exactly what we ended up getting. We saw the move back. Death cross real quick, and then we'll get in the trade setup. Currently in a death cross. Death cross simply means a 50 moving average below the 200-day moving average. That is bearish. So when the price as well as the 50 moves above the 200, let me say this differently. I'll clean this up. When the 50 moves above the 200-day moving average, that's what's called a golden cross. And the price usually moves up because it is considered a bullish move. When you saw the 50 cross above the 200, we ended up pushing up into a little bit of a bull market. When the 50 crossed below the 200, this is when we saw a little bit of a move down. Now, funny enough, the last time we entered into a death cross, we actually went up in price 75% of the time. So go figure, right? That's why I don't use this a lot. I use the other metrics and indicators to give us a little bit more in-depth accuracy. All right, let's get you guys into a trade setup. You ready for this? Let's dive in. So this is updated as of today to 14. So let's dive in. These are actually updated for you guys, so you can get in right now if you want. Here's what you guys are going to do. All of these trades we've taken, all 106, this is how we trade this. So you guys, let's keep Bitcoin in view. Let's look at this. This is for all of our coins, all 12 of them. So follow this principle here, and you can adopt this to all of them. Choose the amount of money you want to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. $250. Simple enough, right? Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits in yellow. Buy limit, buy limit, buy limit, buy limit. See all those? 250, 250, 250, 250 at each of these yellow prices, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. So let's say your first buy limit gets hit at 41,419.53. Great, you're in the market. Now, what do? You simply go into your exchange. I'm going to use Coinbase for an example, and you're going to set a sell limit at the yellow price, which is currently $49,000. This is in case the market shoots up. Now, what are you going to do in the meantime while the market is going up and down? You're going to follow me in Telegram, because this is where I'm actually calling the exits for all of you guys, and I'm in these trades with you. Let me show you guys this account real quick so you can see it's $150,000 what we're trading with. We're only down about 10%, doing very good. Now, I do not trade Bitcoin, but I keep everybody updated on the exit. We're very close to entering into the profit for Bitcoin. 50,000, we'll obviously look for an exit there because it's a whole number, and we'll probably take a win of about 8 to 9% on that, and then we'll just get back into a trade. So I wouldn't doubt if this week we end up winning this trade, and that's 107. And if that wins, we got a couple other trades that are going to win as well. So we may go 110 for 110 this week. So guys, come over here and join us. Start trading with us. The Telegram channel. Again, like I said, make sure you guys are in the Telegram channel. Sign up on your phone or your computer first. Click this link, and then you guys will get access into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators. All right, let's talk about the indicators here. I know I gave you guys a little bit of a pop-up down here to the left when I was going over those indicators, but let's take a look at this. Right now, you guys can get the 3 indicators I used, which are calling the tops and bottoms very well. These indicators are part of our bundle pack. We have a bundle pack right now that is 82% off. You guys are going to get all 9 of our indicators, and this is what you guys can have for life. Again, it's not a monthly fee. It is a one-time purchase, and you guys can have these tools for as long as you want, and you get the source code so nobody can take them away from you. All right? All 9 of these indicators are what you guys get. At minimum, you need to be getting the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion to copy all my trades. But if you guys get the bundle pack right now, we literally have pretty much like a Black Friday sale going on where you have 42% off on top of the discount code you could use with these 3. The discount code, if you guys want to get them individually, is SAVE money. It's just save money, capitalize it, lowercase, does not matter. But right now we've got 82% off the entire bundle pack. So this is the best deal. And this is why we see a lot of people snag this right now, because they're getting really crazy discounts and you're getting all 9 indicators instead of just 3, basically for the same price. All right, guys. And that's in the description. Okay. Following up here, just ending this video real quick. Again, like we talked about in the beginning, 50,000 or 39,000. From what I can see right now, this looks honestly more bullish than bearish out of all the metrics. Looking at the well money flow, looking at the trend exhaustion here. I'm anticipating more of a move up here than a move down. Let's assess this tomorrow. Let's assess this Wednesday. We're in consolidation. This can go both ways. But if I had to make a prediction here, I would say, yes, we can move down a little bit further. But I think overall, we're going to see the market continue up to 50,000 more so than heading back down to structure support of around 32,000. So if I had to make a call here, more metrics, more indicators, our metrics, they are looking for a continuation up to 50,000 more so than they are looking for a move down to 32,000. So that is what I'm staying with. I'm not changing my bias. That's what the indicators and metrics are showing. So we're going to stay there. All right, guys, if you want access to all these metrics here, sign up on the membership, you guys get 42% off the entire membership. And that's forever, guys. That's literally forever. You can stay at $49 for as long as you want, even when the price goes up to $95. And that's going to end in 11 days. So if you guys like what we're doing here, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You guys will get this data every time we come out with a video. We go over all the metrics here. So if you guys literally want a deep dive analysis into every coin that we come out with on a video, I'll go over this with you guys. But to have this information while I'm not on video, if you're over the weekend or you're looking at a coin that I'm not looking at, you guys need to have your membership so you guys can get this, okay? We are going to be decreasing the videos a little bit, probably down to about a couple of videos a day, because we're just going to be focusing more on actually growing the masterclass and also the inner circle. So that's something you guys will be able to access as well. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day. And all that you guys need is in the description, and I will see you guys later. God bless you. Have a good one, and I'll be coming out with videos tomorrow to cover 3 more coins, and let's see how much money we can make, and let's try to go 110 for 110 wins by the end of this month. I do not think that's unrealistic. So set your buy limits up, get everything ready, and let's make some more money. I love you guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.